and welcome back. It feels so good to be back after a couple of weeks. Last couple of weeks I was like literally swimming in the ocean of work, releases and product reviews and whatnot. Anyhow, I feel super happy that I can, again start finding little time to do these videos. This video, I'm going to talk about some of the key things that I have learned over the years that has helped me to build and ship out, products into the market. So without further ado, let's begin.
Number 1, focus on your users. Pay attention to both what users are asking for and using. Be in love with the user's problems and analyze problems from all angles before concluding anything. Make use of exploratory analysis to form your hypothesis. Ask yourself, what are your users' main pain points? What were those little details which on their own do not mean much but collectively cause a lot of frustrations? Make data your close friend. Use analytics to track user behaviors inside your product. Know when and where users were clicking. On an average, how much time they are spending on your application. Do they mostly use mobile or large monitors? Which browsers mostly they use? Knowing all of these and both sides of the picture, that is what users are asking for and actually using, will help you see the complete picture, and that in turn will help you prioritize the MVP and rationalize the investment for your product. Number 2, rapid wireframing and early feedback. A picture is really worth 1,000 words. Rapid wireframing and validating your hypothesis by your users early in the game will allow you to uncover any gaps early in the cycle, thereby making room for flexibility. Plus, it's relatively inexpensive and easy to do. Just remember one thing. During these feedback sessions, show, do not tell. Number 3, as the saying goes, the devil lies in the details. Don't assume that people will remember or get it, and so write down as much as possible. I have learned that the hard way. Things move very fast as you go to the implementation cycle. So write down as much as possible, be it product requirement, design notes, callouts, minutes of the meetings. If you don't, then be prepared for long meetings. I mean really long meetings and lots of them. Engineers are curious and very intelligent human beings. They love challenges and solving difficult technical problems. And let me warn you, they love to challenge as well. So it's your choice to decide where and how you want to spend your time and energies. Number 4, less is more. Seriously, you have heard it right. I'll confess that prioritizing features and stories is not an easy thing. It's hard. In fact, it's really hard. As you would go deeper into the development sprint cycles and closer to the product release, you'll realize 2 things. 1, it is a lot easier to design and sketch out the ideas when we choose to break it down to the bare minimum. The smaller the scope of a release is, you and your team will be more empowered to focus on quality. One pro tip I like to offer here is when the prioritization need arise during the later phases in the development cycle, use the impact versus outcome metrics. It will help you realign focus on what is needed to be solved now versus what can wait till the next release or the release after. Lastly, always have a plan B. Plan B should be with regard to your product strategy and execution approach. In startup lingo, plan B is referred to as pivots. If you're working on a product idea or a launch, you must be also in parallel working on several other pivots or experiments related to your product's plan B strategy. During planning, assume things will go wrong and prepare for the worst. It will help you to prepare backup resources, alternative distribution channels, and set internal teams' expectations so that morale is not adversely affected if things go wrong. And it will give you the agility to move quickly to the next pivot. Remember, having plan B is smart planning and a buffer to absorb failures fast and move on without severe impact.
I hope you found the information helpful. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have a tip to share. Let's all share and learn from each other. Also, if any one of you is interested to go a little deeper on any of the tips that I have talked about, do check out the book Mystery to Mastery, Ideation to Productization Playbook. It's available on Amazon Kindle and Gumroad. This is a book that I have co-authored a couple of years back. Also, if anybody is interested to learn more about wireframing and rapid ideation, recently I have launched a course on Graphy. I'll also put the link in the description box below. You can definitely check that out as well. Alright, so with that, I'll wrap up this video and I shall definitely see you on my next video. Bye!